Hi kids! Today we are going to draw a family, parents and children. Let's start drawing! At first I'm going to draw a big rectangle and I divide it into 6 squares. Now I draw the mom. I start with her eyes and eyelashes. Her nose and her mouth. I draw the shape of her head. She's wearing earrings. I draw her beautiful hair. Then I draw her body. Let's draw a cute baby. I start with her cute eyes, like this. Her smiling mouth, the shape of her head, the hair, and her body. Now I draw the dad. I start with his eyes. His nose and his mouth. I draw the shape of his head and his hair. He has a beard and I draw some lines here. Finally, I draw his body. Next, I draw the little girl. I start with her eyes and eyelashes. The shape of her head. Her little nose and her smiling mouth. Her hair with ponytails on both sides. And then her body. Now let's draw a cute little dog. I start with the shape of his face. I draw his cute eyes. His nose and his mouth. I draw his ears. Now I add some patches on his body. I draw color with a little heart. Then I draw his body and his tail. Finally, I draw a little boy. I start with his eyes. His nose and his mouth. The shape of his head. His hair and his body. Very sweet family! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring! I start with Mommy's skin and I use this pink marker. Red for the mouth, light green for the jewels, brown for her hair, and orange for her dress. Now I use pink for the baby's skin. And red for the dress. I colored Daddy's skin pink. Red for his mouth, dark brown for his hair. Then I use light blue and green for his dress. Now let's color the little girl. I use pink for her skin. Red for her mouth, brown for her hair. I use bright pink for the blouse and her dress. Then I use red for the heart. For the cute dog, I use brown. Light orange and red. Finally, I colored the little boy, and I use pink for his skin. Red for his mouth, and light green for his t-shirt. Now let's color all the backgrounds, and I use the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple. And blue. Fantastic! Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!